The world of drones just got a major shakeup. DJI has officially unveiled the Air 4, and it's already turning heads across the drone community. Every DJI release raises the same question. How much further can they push the limits of power, portability, and intelligence? And this time, the Air 4 might just be the boldest answer yet. So, what makes this drone so exciting? Let's break it down. First up, flight performance. The Air 4 comes with a redesigned high-capacity battery, giving you significantly longer flight sessions compared to the Air 3. That means more time in the air for exploring, capturing, or creating without worrying about constant landings. Pair that with DJI's upgraded transmission system, likely O3 Plus or even O4, and you get an ultra-smooth, low-latency connection. Whether you're flying FPV style or pushing long-distance shots, the stability and responsiveness are a huge win. Now let's talk design. DJI has kept the foldable lightweight frame that made the Air series so travel-friendly, but they've refined it with stronger build materials and a sleeker look. Rumors suggest it's not just stylish, it's also more durable, which means you can pack it for trips with extra confidence. Add in a reworked gimbal system, and you're looking at better stability even in windy conditions, making cinematic shots easier than ever. Speaking of cinematic, this is where the Air 4 truly shines. The camera upgrades are some of the most exciting we've seen. A rumored new 1-inch CMOS sensor promises sharper detail, richer colors, and better low-light performance. For creators, that means more flexibility when shooting in challenging environments, and with support for 5.4K video at 60 frames per second, you're entering serious cinematic territory. But that's not all. Leaks hint at a possible dual-camera system, giving you both wide-angle and telephoto perspectives in one compact drone. Imagine capturing breathtaking landscapes, then instantly switching to close-up detail shots without losing quality. That's versatility creators will love. Of course, powerful hardware is only half the story. The Air 4 comes loaded with smarter, safer features. We're talking ActiveTrack 6.0 for smoother subject tracking, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance to keep you safe in every direction, and even a rumored Follow Me Plus mode designed to handle complex environments where older tracking systems struggle. For beginners, this means extra peace of mind. For pros, it's a tool that unlocks creative shots with less manual control. And let's not forget about ecosystem integration. The Air 4 works seamlessly with DJI's latest goggles, controllers, and the Fly app, making flights more immersive and media transfers faster. Your workflow from capture to edit becomes smoother, so you spend less time waiting and more time creating. So who is this drone really for? The Air 4 is aimed at semi-professionals, travelers, vloggers, and hobbyists who want advanced tools without the bulk and complexity of larger drones. It strikes a balance between portability, performance, and intelligence that could make it one of DJI's most successful drones yet. And honestly, it feels less like a simple upgrade and more like a real evolution of the Air series. Longer flights mean more creativity, smarter sensors mean more confidence, better cameras mean sharper, more cinematic stories. So is the DJI Air 4 the drone you've been waiting for? From what we've seen so far, it looks like one of the most well-rounded releases DJI has ever made. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone insights, reviews, and tech deep dives. This is your channel name. And until next time, keep flying high.